Hello, everyone. My name is Ngozi Ajelaye. I am currently undertaking data analysis training at Quantum Analytics. In this video, I'm going to make a presentation on the RMS Titanic using Power BI. Before I proceed to explain the interactive dashboard you are seeing on your screen, I want to first of all show you the underlying data set. Here I have the data, which comprises of the class of the tickets that the passengers used. I have data on survivors and deaths, the name of the passengers themselves, their respective genders, age, and the port at which they embarked, just to mention a few of the variables that we used. Putting all these things together, I have this information you are seeing on the interactive dashboard. Remember, I did this using Power BI. A total of 1,309 passengers, out of which 843 are males, 466 are females, 500 survived the wreck, 810 died. Average age in the ship is 23.86 years, and average fare is 33.30 pounds. Now, let's examine some of these graphical descriptions. Looking at survivors and deaths by gender, we can see here that 339 females survived, out of which 127 of them died. For the male, 161 survived and 682 died. So here we can see that more female actually got on the small boats than males, which made more of the females to survive. Looking at the number of deaths and survivors by age group, most deaths occurred in the child category. What I did was to classify any child below 13, anyone below 13 years as child. So that is where we have the highest casualty of 231 deaths, followed by those in the adults category, the youth, the young adults, and seniors. A freezing temperature may have contributed to the high number of deaths among the children. Next, I'm moving on to passengers distribution by ports. Out of all the passengers, 914 passengers, making a total of 69.82%, got on the ship at the Southampton port, while 270, comprising 20.63%, boarded at the Cherbourg port, while 127, comprising 9.4%, boarded at Queenstown. Next, I'm moving on to passenger distribution by ticket class. For the first class ticket holders, they made up of 24.68%. So a total of 323 passengers hold first class tickets. Second class ticket holders were 277, making 21.16%, while we can see here that third class ticket holders formed the majority, 709 passengers, comprising 554.16%. Finally, I'm moving on to survivors and deaths by ticket class. From the graphical depiction, we can see here that third class had the most casualty. 529 of the passengers that passed on were holding third class tickets, followed by passengers holding second class tickets, forming about 158 of the passengers that died, while 123 passengers holding first class tickets died. Also looking at the survivors and death by ticket class, we can see that most first class ticket holders survived. 200 of them survived, followed by third class holders with 181, and finally by second class holders by 119%. Finally, I'm going to engage this interactive dashboard using slicers. And what do slicers do? Slicers are actually indicators that when you use them, information on the dashboard also changes. Now I'm going to start with the first class slicer. When I click on first class, you can see here that all the key indicators here changed. For first class, we had a total of 323 passengers, out of which 179 male, 144 females, and only 200 survivors for first class. and 123 deaths. The average age of first-class holders were 34.43 years, while the average fare for first-class ticket holders is 87.51 pounds. So this is for first-class ticket holders. Same thing, all the graphical depiction here will change. For instance, number of survivors and deaths by gender also changed using the first-class slicer. Here we can see that more females holding first-class tickets survived, 139, while only 5 of them passed away. Looking at the male, we can see that 61 first-class holders for male survived, while 118 first-class ticket holders died. Also looking at the number of age by age group, we can see the distribution across the different age group. And also, most of the first-class ticket holders got on at the Southampton port. Next, I'm moving on to second-class ticket holders. You can see 277 passengers hold second class, and you can see the distribution for male, for female. You can see number of survivors, number of deaths. Average age in the second class ticket holders category is 27.8, and average fare 21.18. So again, you can see this distribution changes once you check any of the slicers. Finally, I'm clicking on the third class ticket holder slicer. Again, you can see the interactive dashboard responding accordingly. 709 passengers hold third class tickets, out of which 493 are males, 216 are females, 181 of them survived, 529 did not survive, average age 17.51 years, and average ticket 13.3. So you can see that using slicers gives more information from this RMS Titanic dataset. Once again, my name is Ngozi Adeleye, and this is my Power BI presentation using the RMS Titanic. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.